Good afternoon, Tennessee. This is John Simpson with Roof MD. I'm in Woodbury, Tennessee today. I'm on a 4 and 12 3-tab asphalt shingle roof. Had some wind damage. Somebody put some silicone sealant over the area because of the way that 3-tab shingles work. That'll prevent moisture from coming in here as a temporary measure. This roof is degranulated. It's approaching the end of its serviceable life. Difficult call on this because there's only one spot of wind damage. Not a lot anywhere else, so they could do a repair on this, minor repair, or they could put this money towards a re-roof. It's on the cusp, probably 1 to 3 years tops. This has been John Simpson with Roof MD, a 3-tab shingle 4 and 12 pitch roof here in Woodbury, Tennessee.